Hi, boys and girls. It's me again with
Selena.
She was trying to hide. She's so funny. Okay, so we found a really neat experiment that we wanted to share with all of you, and we're hoping that you have all the materials you need to do this experiment at home on this weekend, on this long Victoria Day weekend, where we usually have lots of fireworks. This year, hopefully, we can watch them on TV, but we thought it might be cool to make our own fireworks at home. So that's what we're doing.
They're not real.
They're not real. They're fireworks.
They stay in here.
They stay in there. They're fireworks in water, in a jar. Okay, so these are the materials you need. You need some kind of jar, mason jar. We found this this kind of bottle that we found here, and cylinder shaped. We filled it up with water, just about halfway, and then we have food coloring. So we've got a whole bunch of different colors. We've got red, yellow, green, and blue. Okay, now you also need oil. Okay, so we have olive oil here because that's the only kind of oil we have at my house, or you can use baby oil as well. The baby oil is the clear. No, it might work, but it's a clear color. Okay, so this is what you need to do first. We are going to put 4 tablespoons of water. I'm sorry, not of water, of oil into a small little cup like this. Okay, and we want to show you how the oil reacts with the food coloring. So Selena, I am going to, let's put this down actually. We're going to put the camera down so you can watch what we do. Okay, there we go. I'm going to pour some of this oil into our measuring spoon. All right, so 1,
2,
3, and 4. All right, so we've got 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay, let's move this over to the side, Selena. It doesn't make a mess. Let's move it over here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we are going to try, Selena, what color should we try first in the oil?
Red.
Want to do red? Okay. Okay, so we are going to, Selena, go ahead. So we're going to put some drops of food coloring into the oil, and we're going to show you what it looks like when it hits. Be the best way. Okay, so watch how the food coloring reacts. Do you see these little balls? Isn't that neat? The water, the food coloring is water-based. And remember we did our experiment a couple weeks ago about sink and float? So you see the food coloring, the best way for me to show you the food coloring sinks to the bottom because it is heavier. Do you see those little balls? Isn't that neat? Made like a flower shape in there, Selena, take a look. Made like a flower shape, those balls stuck together. So the food coloring stays as a clump. Okay, and it stays together. It does not mix in with the oil because the oil is lighter, it's less dense. Okay, so now the next step is going to be to pour very carefully the oil into the jar with the water. Okay, now you don't want, now here's the key, Selena, wait for a second. The key, the most important part here is we do not want the food coloring to go in yet. We want to make sure that the oil comes out of the cup first, and we'll see how the oil and the water react together, and then we'll get that food coloring to come out last. Okay, and then we're going to add some other colors of food coloring to see those fireworks go off. Okay.
You only do about 3 or 4.
Yeah, 3 or 4 drops of the food coloring. Okay. Okay. Let's put our cup a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Hey, boys and girls, so look at what's happening with the oil and the water. They're not mixing together, right? That oil is staying on top, and it is actually floating. And now that some of that food coloring, you can see the food coloring go down, a bit of a reflection from our window. But the food coloring now is mixing into the oil. Okay, it didn't blend yet, but it's now sitting at the bottom, and in a few moments you're going to see, there you go, that's better. Okay, in a few moments you'll see that the food coloring is going to react with the water. Oh, there we go, there are some fireworks. Do you see that? Whoa, look at those fireworks. Let's get closer. Look at that. Wow, look at those fireworks. Okay, and now once you have that, let's move back actually just a little. And we're going to add some more colors. So I'm going to add some blue. Can I do the
I'm
blue?
gonna add green.
You're going to add green after. So we only need like, these are going to be bigger drops. So you want to not put more than
Let's do
2 or
4.
3. I'll do 3. Okay, so we added the blue and you'll slowly see that the blue will join that red to make more fireworks. Nice.
And there's the green. There we go.
Wow, that's so
Green
awesome. Do you
drops.
see how that oil sits on top because it's lighter, it's floating, and the water is heavier, it's more dense, so it's going, the water stays at the bottom, but the food coloring, I'm going to go a little lower so you can see the total reaction. The food coloring and the water, they mix together. Okay, so now let's see, we're going to have, I think the blue and the green are going to start coming through.
And our oil is yellow, so what about this yellow food coloring?
Shall we try it, Selena, and see what happens?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open it.
Oh, this is so neat. I can't wait for the other colors to come.
Ready?
It really looks like
1,
fireworks in a jar.
2,
And that's interesting that
3,
the yellow
4.
food coloring is the same color as the oil.
So
I
we
wonder.
may not work.
I don't see any of the other colors. I hope it works.
Mine? Oh, I think I see something.
Yeah. Whoa, look at that, boys and girls.
Blue.
The blue has
Oh, it
come
looks
to,
like a pony.
oh my, oh yeah, look at all those different, it actually looks like fireworks the way that it's spreading out.
Blue.
And there's some, that looks like the green, or maybe it's still more blue. I think I see
It's
green.
blue and
Look
red.
at how the colors are mixing together. I kind of see the blue and the red mixing together. What two colors do blue and red, what color does blue and red make when you mix them together?
Purple.
Purple. I actually
It says
see a
on
bit
this
of,
pack.
I actually see a bit of
It says
purple.
here.
Oh, to make those other colors. Yeah, we just
Yeah.
get the primary colors. Oh, I see green.
Oh, there
The
is
green has come through. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, what's that? That's more blue, I think. Or is that more green? Wow, firework.
Where's the yellow? I think the yellow's gonna come last. Wow.
Let's make some firework noises. Ready? Wow, this is incredible. Boys and girls, I really hope you have these materials at home to try this experiment out. I know some of us have a powdered food coloring at home, so maybe the powdered food coloring will work too. Oh, I see the yellow coming through, Selena. Look at that. Oh, wow, boys and girls, this firework experiment is almost more satisfying than an actual firework display. I really hope you all will be able to do this.
Let's mix it.
Okay, Selena would like to try mixing it. I don't know what this is going to do. It's just going to make a mess, but
Oh no.
I don't know. Oh, you lost your straw?
I
Here
found
we
it.
go.
Wow.
Oh, looks like a tornado in there now. Okay, boys and girls, this is not part of
Oh,
the
mix
experiment,
it.
but sure, have some fun with it. Mix it up. You can see how the water reacts with the oil and all that food coloring, how it all blends together.
It's still not going together. The oil's still on the top.
It is, yeah. It's not going to mix because the oil is
Go
lighter.
ahead.
It's always going to float. It's always going to float. All right, boys and girls, that's the end of our experiment. We hope you had fun, and I hope you try it out. Send some pictures, okay? Bye. Selena, say bye.
Bye.